As per our ongoing EOS cost expectation, the worth of EOS will expanded by 242.21%, coming to $2.66 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the ongoing opinion basically is impartial, while the apprehension and eagerness record is perusing 44.03, which explicitly implies intense trepidation. Our EOS conjecture, it's in a real sense hold EOS right now in an especially significant manner. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall unbiased opinion among EOS cost expectations in an unobtrusive manner. See the exceptionally precise EOS cost expectation beneath. You will in a real sense know the amount EOS is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout the course of recent days, EOS has generally diminished by 12.39%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of June, the worth of EOS expanded by 114.71%. and came to approach around $1.57. Presently, all markers are demonstrating impartial zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness record for the most part shows 44.03 by and large intense apprehensions. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the ideal opportunity to hold EOS, which is genuinely critical. Right now, EOS explicitly is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving normal, which really is very critical. For the by and large most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA explicitly has shown an EOS holding signal, or so they fundamentally thought. The cost of EOS is right now running underneath the 50-day for the most part straightforward moving genuinely normal SMA, and it fundamentally shows a sell in every practical sense signal. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $1.01 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, EOS for the most part momentary 50-day SMA sort of shows at 83 cents. The general strength record, RSI, force oscillator, is a well-known marker that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is as of now at Civilu. This demonstrates that the EOS market is in a purchase position. EOS value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, EOS came to $1.12, when it explicitly dipped under 86 cents interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market trades, EOS is headed to passing the $1.59 mark before the current year is over. Before $1.59, it might break its sign of $22.89 and sort of reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, EOS will break its past all-time high of $22.89 and truly hold somewhere in the range of $1.55 and $1.59 soon. At this point, on 24 June 2023, EOS is exchanging at 73 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume truly is around 290.64 M, and it makes number 50 money in the sort of entire crypto world. Incredibly, EOS Value Forecast 2024, there is plausible that EOS can especially get through the $1.90 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least EOS cost will be between $1.58 to $1.90, and the most probable EOS cost will be consistent at around $1.83 toward the finish of 2024. Despite EOS's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its Earth-hostile energy utilization, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that EOS will reach $1.90 toward the finish of 2024, or truly mid-2024. EOS Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists especially foresee that EOS will begin the year at $2.16 and exchange around $2.66. As indicated by their expectations, This would explicitly be incredibly high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Incredibly, EOS Value Forecast 2026 there for the most part is a decent opportunity that EOS 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. Yet it is likewise especially conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $3.37 level. EOS is anticipated to by and large arrive at a record-breaking high of $3.30 or $3.37 in 2026, and it could be the extended period of EOS. EOS Value Forecast 2027 EOS Value Expectation, or EOS, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, EOS's cost is supposed to generally outperform $3.37 in 2027 in a significant manner. It in a real sense has been truly anticipated that EOS will, all things considered, arrive at the greatest cost of $3.37, and the by and large least cost generally is supposed to for the most part be around $2.82 in the really next a long time from 2027. EOS figure 2028 market examiners and specialists anticipate in every practical sense, say that EOS value expectation and specialized examination, EOS truly is supposed to cross a value level of $3.95 in 2028, or so they thought. In the meantime, EOS is supposed to arrive at a really least cost of $3.48 this year. Amazingly, the most extreme cost may explicitly reach $3.98. EOS Value Forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The EOS value expectation and specialized investigation in a real sense foresee that the expense of EOS will, in a real sense, reach $5.42, and the cost of EOS ought to especially reach $5.42 before the year is over, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, EOS can reach up to $4.95 in cost in an unpretentious manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for EOS development. EOS value expectation 2030 out of 2030, EOS value expectation, are supposed to cross the $7.42 normal cost level, as per EOS figure and specialized examination in a significant manner. Toward the finish of 2030, EOS's extremely least cost in every practical sense is supposed to in a real sense be $7.14. Moreover, EOS can arrive at a most extreme value level of $7.70. Toward the finish of 2030, EOS will have a kind of typical cost of $7.70, which is very critical. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. EOS value expectation 2031 EOS cost is assessed to reach $10.08 by 2031, at least, with a typical exchanging cost of $10.38 all through 2031. EOS's worth could come to $10.54 at its most noteworthy. The experts especially anticipate